Hello dear students, in today's class we'll see how to find mean by step deviation method. In the previous classes we have seen how to find mean by direct mean method as well as assume mean method. In this class we will learn how to find mean by step deviation method. Let's start. First we have to write the class interval that I am writing 5 to 15, then 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55 and 55 to 65. Then we have to write the frequency Fi. The frequencies are 6, 11, 21. All these frequencies we have to write 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. Then we have to find xi also in step deviation method. Finding xi, the method is same. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2 will give you xi. 5 plus 15 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Then 15 plus 25 is 40. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 25 plus 35 is 60. 60 divided by 2 is 30. 35 plus 45 is 80. 80 divided by 2 is 40. 45 plus 55 is 100. 100 divided by 2 is 50. 55 plus 65 is 120. 120 divided by 2 is 60. Now we also need di in step deviation method, and we know di is xi minus a. As I said, we have to select the middle value as a middle value from the values of xi. So either we can select 30 or we can select 40. I am selecting 40. A I am assuming as 40. Keep in mind, A has to be assumed from the values of xi. Now let's find di. Xi minus a. 10 minus 40 will give you minus 30. 20 minus 40 will give you minus 20. 30 minus 40 will give you minus 10. 40 minus 40 is 0, and 50 minus 40 is 10, and 60 minus 40 is 20. Then for in step deviation method we need ui, and ui is di by h. Student, ui is di by h. What is this h? H is the difference between the class interval. Difference between upper limit and lower limit is h. What is the difference between upper limit and lower limit? It is 10. So we have to divide all the values of di by 10. Okay. Now minus 30 divided by 10 will give you minus 3. Then minus 20 by 10 will give you 10 ones are 10 twos are minus 2. Minus 10 divided by 10 is minus 1, and 0 by 10 is 0. 10 by 10 is 1. 20 by 10 is 2. So I am explaining one more time. We have to divide all the values of di by h. H is the difference between upper limit and lower limit. Difference is 10. So we have divided all the values of di by 10 and we got these values. The last column in step deviation method is fi into ui. Fi into ui. We have to multiply the values. Fi into ui. 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. 11 into minus 2 is minus 22. Then 21 into minus 1 is minus 21. Then 23 into 0 is 0. 14 into 1. 14 into 1 is 14. 5 into 2 is 10. Let's see what is the formula to find mean by step deviation method. The formula is x bar is equal to a plus sum of fi into ui divided by sum of fi into h. This is the formula to find mean by step deviation method. We know a is here. We have to find sum of fi into ui. That value we can get from here. Let's see how to do it. First add the negative integers. We have to add all the negative integers. Minus 18 minus 22 is minus 40. Minus 21 is minus 61. Minus 61, then 10 plus 14 is 24. Minus 61 plus 24 is minus 37. Minus 37. Minus 61 is bigger, plus 24. 24 is smaller, so we have to take the bigger number sign. This is sum of fi into ui. Then we need sum of fi also. H we know. H is difference between the upper limit and lower limit, that is 10. Sum of fi we have to find out. 6 plus 11 17. 17 plus 21 is 38. Then we have to add 38 plus 23 is 61. Then plus 14 and plus 5, that will give you sum of fi, that is 80. Sum of fi is 80. When you add all the numbers, you will get 80 students. Now let's substitute all the values. A is how much? 40. Then plus sum of fi into ui is minus 37 divided by sum of fi is 80 into h. H is how much? 10. Now we can divide it. 10 ones are 10 eights are. Now this is 40. Plus into minus is minus. Here remaining is 37 divided by 8. Now 40 minus 37 by 8. When you divide it, you will get 4.625. It will be 4.625, and when you subtract, you will get the value 35.375. This is the answer. This is how we can find the mean by step deviation method. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll solve your doubt. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching my video.